everyone, this is Dingbo. Today let me introduce this 600 kilowatt diesel generator set which will be sent to Africa. The two diesel generator sets are equipped with Weichai engine, original Stamford alternator. Weichai is well-known domestic brand with available price and strong power. Weichai has a great advantage is that it has passed the verification of extreme environment such as high altitude, high temperature, and high cold, and has strong adaptability. Therefore, in hot environment high Africa, it can operate safely. The SmartGen controller has gas cloud monitoring function which can remotely monitor and manage diesel generator set in real time, bring many convenience to customers. This is automatic transfer switch. It can quickly and automatically switch to the backup power supply to ensure the continuous operation of the equipment. Our diesel generator set affordable and high quality. If you need diesel generator set, please don't hesitate to contact us.